This how to 1 minute will show you how to change your country in Google Play Store. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to change your country. Launch your Google Play Store. Tap on your profile photo at the top right. Tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Payment Methods. Tap on More Payment Settings. After verifying your Google account, now tap on this three-line icon at the top left. Tap on Settings. Here you will get Country and Region option. So to change your country, tap on this pencil icon next to Country and Region. Tap on Create New Profile. Tap on Continue. And now you can easily change your country from here. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. See you in the next video. Fill up this form, tap on Submit, and that's it.